Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Angels in St. Catherine, and this is Angels Plaza. Now this plaza used to do very well, but the supermarket that was in here, it used to be a Super Plus, it closed down. And ever since it closed down, the plaza just seemed to have taken a turn for the worse. Now, as we drive around, you're going to notice a lot of empty stores. The location where the supermarket was is actually still empty. Now, the supermarket was Super Plus, and Super Plus, I think they were the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica at one time. If they weren't, they were number two. It would have been between Super Plus and the Shoppers Fair Group, Progressive Grocers. The Progressive Grocers is Shoppers Fair, Progressive Foods, and a few other supermarkets under different names. Now, straight ahead, or as we turn on the left, this entire structure is where the supermarket used to be. But Super Plus got into problems and they had to close all their stores, everyone. And ever since that happened, the plaza just hasn't been the same. I'm not sure why nobody took over the supermarket or another supermarket chain went there. I'm not sure. But this is a busy area, especially with the entrance to the highway, literally less than 30 seconds drive from here. Now, you've always heard us say for a successful plaza you need three things: a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket, food stores, and build it in a popular location. Suppose I tell you this plaza has a KFC and a Pizza Hut in it, and a Tasty. It also is built in a populated area because across the road is Angels Estate, and I think they have two divisions, thousands of homes. Every home in Angels is sold out. But they don't have number three, which is the brand name supermarket. This plaza does not have any supermarket, and this is the result. And it's been proven again with that massive mall down in Maypen, Millennium Mall, massive structure. They didn't have a supermarket when they opened. They only recently opened up I think it's a Select Grocers down there. This is where you have the KFC and the Pizza Hut over there. And the plaza never did well. It had food stores. It wasn't the Millennium Mall we're talking about now. It had food stores. It actually had a food court inside, but it had no supermarket, and it was built on the outskirts of Maypen. It wasn't built in the town of Maypen, so the traffic just wasn't there like in the town. But they've since opened a supermarket, but 3/4 of the mall is empty. We'll give you guys an update on that one very soon. But this one now, you can see how empty it is, and most of the stores, like when you get to the section from the supermarket back to the gas station, we're going to show you. The stores are literally locked up, abandoned. I guess you're going to see a lot of for sale signs. So it goes to show you how important those three things are: brand name supermarkets, build it in a populated area, and have food stores. See this section of the mall now, to the right is where the supermarket used to be. From this point all the way back to the gas station where the Tasty is. There are no shops, they're all locked up, they're for sale, they're for sale. This entire section of the mall here now everything is locked up. And it's a nice plaza. I remember I used to come here back in the day, very busy. I've actually been into the Super Plus many times, and it was a nice supermarket. See, over here now, all these stores are empty for sale. Straight ahead, that's a Knutsford Express bus. Now you notice you don't even have much cars here. All these stores are empty. Alright, well, let us know what you think, guys, about this mall and what you think can be done to help it now. Okay, that store. As we get closer to this gas station now, some of these stores are occupied. There is a Single and an ICWI, that's an insurance company. And then this is the Fesco gas station, and straight ahead where you see that structure, that is where the Tasty is. And this is another Knutsford Express coming in here. I guess they use this gas station to fill up. Okay, on the right now is the entrance to Angel Estate. As we said, hundreds if not thousands of homes, and that's just phase one. They have another phase on the roundabout, and then you have Spanish Town. These are like the residential areas for Spanish Town. Major town, very populated. So guys, let us know what you think about this plaza, what happened, and what can be done to revive it. I mean, you have a good start. You have the KFC in there, and you have the areas around it, the complexes. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.